Are you thinking of opening up a business? One of the first things you should consider is opening up a business bank account. And let's break down why that matters, what you need to open one up, and what to expect along the way without skipping over any of the real world stuff. So first, why do you need a business bank account, especially if I already got a bank account? Even if your business is small or it's just starting, having a separate account matters a lot. It keeps your personal and business finances separate. It makes taxes a lot easier and more accurate. Less of a headache for your CPA, by the way. It adds credibility when clients pay you, and it helps you build financial history for business credit later on down the road. And mixing funds, this is commingling. Remember that, because commingling is the biggest rookie mistake you can make once you open up your business. It can cost you big when it comes to tax audits or even applying for business credit. Now, what necessarily do you need to open up a business bank account? Every bank's a little different here, but most will want something along the following lines, like an entity. So an entity could be something like an LLC, corporation, partnership, or even a sole proprietor with a DBA doing business as. And then once you create the entity, this can be from your Secretary of State. Once you have that, I'm here in Oklahoma, so it'll be like the so-and-so's company, LLC, and I'll have a little star, articles of organization or articles of incorporation. You'll take that and then you go to irs.gov and you'd apply for something called an EIN. So you'll need this, and this is like the social security number for your business. So it's called the employer identification number, and like I said, think of it like a social security number, but for your business, and you can get one for free from the IRS website. Business licenses and formation docs. This will prove your business is legit and registered with the state. So that'll go back to the entity. Then your personal stuff, like you needed to open up your first personal bank account, like a valid driver's license or a passport, your business address, and this could be the same as your home address, phone number, email address. Doesn't have to necessarily be commercial stuff. You can use your personal stuff along these lines. It's just the business entity and the EIN are what represents the business. But consistency matters here. So the process as far as what to expect is starting as far as choosing the right bank or credit union. So some banks have monthly fees or minimum balances you got to deal with. Others have perks for new businesses just to get you started. So look for tools like mobile deposit, invoicing, or integrations with accounting software. And then really you need to decide if you want to go like the traditional banking route or something that's more so online. Online banks are often faster to sign up with and offer lower fees, while traditional banks offer the in-person support. You'd be able to go and sit down and talk to somebody, and it may get easier to get approved for loans or credit in the future because you have a person, you could go back and forth with them, you build a relationship with them. But most banks, when you set up your account, will ask for an initial deposit. This can be anywhere from $25 to $100 to even $1,000 depending on where you bank and what kind of bank account do you want. Do you want interest? Do you not want interest? And then you may be able to set up multiple types of accounts. Think like a checking account, a savings account, a merchant type of account, or do you process credit card payments? There's all types of different bells and whistles banks offer for their business clients. And then review your account features. Can you deposit checks from your phone? Does it come with a business debit card? And usually they do. Sometimes they could even print them in branch. Can it connect to QuickBooks or other bookkeeping tools that you may use? But I got a tip for you. Keep your records clean from day one. It's a lot easier. Don't use your business account for personal expenses ever. Consider opening up a second account for taxes or savings, just so you're saving money or putting money back for them expenses that just seem to surprise you all the time. And then revisit your bank every year to see if there's better business options available. Whether you're selling online, freelancing, or opening up a brick and mortar shop, a business bank account sets the foundation. So it's more than just a place to put your money and store it. It's a signal that you're serious, legit, and planning for growth. Good luck out there.